Now, Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, good afternoon. You know, we've got a very warm and humid day out there today. I'm sure you felt it if you've been outside. The dew points are high, the humidity is up, and that's giving us a feels-like temperature in the 90s today. Feeling a little more like summer around the coastal bend. Take a look at those temperatures here on this list. You can see it's anywhere from 86 degrees in Corpus Christi to 89 Kingsville and Alice and Beeville 86. But check out the feels-like temperature with the lighter winds today and all that humidity. It's sticky out there. It's feeling like 95 right now in Corpus Christi, and a heat index or feels like temperature in Rockport of 91 to 98 at Beeville. So feeling that this afternoon. Now, when we have a lot of moisture in the air, that is more buoyant than dry air. In fact, moist air tends to be lighter than dry air, and that causes it to rise, and that gives us a lot of instability in the atmosphere. The instability, coupled with some moderate wind shear, could lead to a few storms developing along a line north of along Beeville to near Victoria, where the showers are developing this afternoon. Therefore, there's a severe storm watch until 8 o'clock this evening. If the storms can get going, there's the potential of an isolated damaging wind threat, as well as some isolated large hail. Not very widespread, but a few spots, especially in that pink area, and that does include areas north of Corpus Christi, do have the potential of that. So you can see those the heavy rain threat. It's very localized for this evening, but the damaging wind threat and large hail threats are there as well, and those are more localized. Tornadoes are not expected. Good news there. So as we look ahead to what's going on right now across the coastal bend on our radar, you can see there isn't a lot happening. We've got some showers developing. Those have been more numerous as you go farther up the coastline toward Houston, and that's where most of the stormy weather is going to be, down to about Victoria. But we're going to be on the southern edge of that, and as I showed you, there's that potential. We could get a few showers or thunderstorms. So the better chance of that is in our northern counties, and the arrival times are looking like this: anywhere from 4 to 6 north of Refugio to Beeville, 6 to 8 as you head south to Corpus Christi, and then not until mid-evening in Corpus Christi. If we get some rain, it would be probably between 8 and 9 o'clock this evening. But again, the stuff's going to be weakening as it pushes to the south. You can see that on Future Tracker then. This is what this forecast models, what they're predicting. Notice it shows the line developing and some locally heavy rain in that, possibly a severe storm or two. And then as it pushes to the south into Corpus Christi, it kind of weakens and the rain ends. Tomorrow morning, we may pick up a more isolated showers or even a thunderstorm as we get toward the noon hour in our northern counties. We'll watch for the potential of some heavier rain with that in our northern areas, but overall the rain looks very spotty over the next couple of days. You may see a little bit tomorrow. When I show you the 7-day forecast, you'll see that it's just isolated cases of rain all the way into Friday and even Saturday, perhaps widely scattered. So unfortunately, the rain doesn't look too widespread, but we'll get a little bit out there. How much? Well, if you get under one of those stronger or severe storms, the potential is to see over a half an inch, possibly an inch of rain. You see all that blue on this graphic here as you go into B and Live Oak counties? That represents possibly an inch of rain, and then the purple getting into 2 inches. So the heaviest is going to stay to our north, but a few spots will see some rain here in the coastal bend. So as you head out the door then tomorrow, this evening, the rain moves in, then it ends. Then we may see a few showers through the noon hour tomorrow. It's not quite as warm tomorrow. We stay in the lower 80s. It's still going to be on the humid side tomorrow and again Friday before the winds shift around to the north. And so tomorrow we're still warm, very seasonal tomorrow, low 80s in Corpus Christi, 82 degrees. Now the wind is going to shift to the north behind another cold front, and that comes through Friday evening. That front's going to bring some chilly air with it. Take a look at the weekend. Mild days and cool nights are in the forecast. Plus, may still see a little rain, especially through early Saturday. And it's going to be windy Saturday, too, with that north wind, bringing temperatures down into the 50s overnight Saturday and Sunday. Greg?
All right, thank you, Sharon. We'll see you tomorrow. Meanwhile,